Kublai pi barok pi yang sengob hai pi sya kan ketup kebor jungi menta ke janmit. Hasya bingis dang ini pet chwaya kimat ki bekongsan. Bat Kalaban Bengali Boys bat ke St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School ya ke kerdan bahak kli ha ke result MBOS HSSLC jongka Science bat Commerce Stream. Ya kendu Menteri Rang Bak Kejalau Konrad Ki Sangma ya kinong yelam kamar bat ke Kuki Community. Ya kajingpang African Swine Flu la perking tang haki katuk ni kijaka. Kampat long kabama ban ba mi kedos nyang ong Menteri Katanat Animal Husbandry bat Veterinary uba ELHEC. Bat IT ulampang king dorbar tauan ya ka city halor ka jinglet ya so apring ka seng PDF bat ka seng NPP. Ki khubar ki babnya. Ka Meghalaya Board of School Education menta ka sngi. Kalapan benaya ka result na ka benta ka Science bat ka Commerce Stream. Kalaban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School bat ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. Kiladan haki kerdan ki bakhamat ha ka result jong ka HSSLC habaro art liki stream. Arnab data jong Kalaban Bengali Boys High Secondary School ulawan ha kerdan ka bahakli jong ka Science mentaus nem. Ha ka ba ulayo hadu sauspa prapulai marks kentup ya ka jeng yok letter ha ka English, ka Physics, ka Chemistry, ka Mathematics bat ka Computer Science. Ya ka kerdan bahakli du jong ka Commerce layo bat biang da Kalaban Bengali Boys High Secondary School da urishap pur ka yastha. Ha ka Commerce kiladon hadu nyup kendai poin lai iwe nakjispa ki belapas menta usnem ka baduna kendiat na usnem belala kata prapulai poin riulai nak sispa kat bahaka science kiladan nyopu pra poin prasau nak sispa ki belapas ha ka bakladon ka jingkiu kendiat kata nyopu wei poin riu ar nak sispa ha usnem arajar arpuar ha kwe pat kaliang ka samla puli na ka Anderson High Secondary School Nongston ka dayairi nongrem na ka Commerce Stream kalayo rong ha ka thup basipau ha ka bakalayo sauspa saupunyo marks.
Initially, I plan to do BSc in mathematics, but now I'll just be seeing whatever opportunities I'll get. I'll just pick up the best from that.
It is a very big achievement. I think the teachers really pushed us. They worked hard for this because last year we got the first rank from science, and even before that we got the first rank from commerce. And I think the teachers really wanted to, repeat this again because they wanted to spread the message that we can create toppers. We can take an ordinary student and build him up in such a way that he can become a topper.
My teachers, I was an average guy from the beginning, so they motivated me that you can do it, and they pursued me, encouraged me, and this is how I thought that I can do it. I'll be pursuing it with BCom, accounting honors, and then I'll continue with CS together with BCom.
Ka sorkar jala kalapan dikena ban ai jingkersan ya kinong song jong ka Manipur ki basyong basa ha kanong ba shalong. Menteri Rang Bak Kejalau Konrad Ki Sangma ulaya kendu ya kinong yalam jong ka Mar Community bat ka Kuki Community jong ka Manipur ki basyong basa ha kanong ba shalong. Kita ki dekat ki lapen pau ya ka jingsngo kuslai jong ki halor ka jingja ka balaja ha Manipur. Bat ki lapan ya ka jingarap na ka sorkar jala bakan simkia. Haba pen pau halor ka ka jingja Ula ong ba kum kini ki jingja dei bani mirjing mutlang bat na kaliang jong ka sorkar jala kan yale kat bala ban wanra ya ka syongsuk syongsan knang ban kenjo syakathong.
Wherever the family members of anybody, any family members of any of the Kuki families or the families who are coming to Shillong to be with their family during these difficult times, if there can be any way the government can give support. So we have asked Deputy Commissioner to look into that matter, and they've also asked us to take up some of the issues and concerns with the central government as a political party. So those things also, I'll be going to Delhi soon. So whenever I get the opportunity, definitely I'll take up the matter.
Menteri Katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba ELHEC Uloong baya kajingpang African Swine Flu la perking tang haki katu kani kijaka kenang banyada na kajing sapriang hakeleng kajala bat kampat long kabama ban bam ya kados nyang habai kren bat kinong tok kubor uba hek uloong banadu belalap ya ketika jingpang katanat kala shim ya ka senjam ban ai jingyada na katega klam khnang bakan kta shaki wei pat ki jaka ula benrap da ka ba ong ba enkam perking ya ki tugishnong shisien bla lap ya kateka jingpang bat enkang ya ka jingwanra bat ka jingkhayi shabar ya ki jingri ki ba na ki tugishnong ki basakta uba hek ulo ong ba ha East Khasi Hills ya kateka jingpang la lap ha ki lightly kishnong bat banyada na ka jing sapriang uba hek ulo ong ba katanat kala dep ban pha ya ka kinhun ban bishar banya halor ka jinglong jingman jong kateka jingpang.
Situation is very much under control, very much, because our rapid response teams are very fast to take action. The veterinary doctors, they are also very prompt. So they take all the measurements to ensure that it will not be spread from one place to another place. But we are taking all precautionary measures to ensure that the swine flu will not spread anywhere except what is also to improve the area where it is already affected.
Ulampang kiyeng dorbar thawan ka jala o Thomas A. Sangma. Ula IT ya ka shithi halor ka jinglet yaso ka PDF bat ka National People's Party, Shaki MLA ka PDF uba Gavin Megul Milliam bat uba Bantaydor Lingdo. Habay kran bat kilat patay kubor u MLA ka Sora uba Gavin Megul Milliam. Ula ong ba ula wan ban shim ya ka shithi jong ka jing yaso ya ka ba ka seng kalapha sho lampang ha ka santrik u jemang. Hakaway pat kalyang u President ka PDF bat uba dayru dokhat bat thamay ban let yaso sya ka seng NPP. Ula ong ba ha ka singiningkong Baha ka singiningkong ba ka jingyalang ban emerging mood. Ha ka ba yaday bat ka roster system kala banlong ha ka katsantrik ujemang. Ha ka ba ki arngot ki dekot ki badang thamay. Kinsa penpaw halor kani ka benta. Kenang ba umentri rang ba ka jala o konrat ki sangma unsngap ya ki kat wait li ki point. Ki bala wanra da ka seng PDF ki balong kat kum ki mat jong kitay ka jinglet jingyaso. Bat ka jingyalong lang kaway.
As the ad hoc members of those respective blocks. Regarding cabinet bird, it entirely depends upon the wisdom of the Chief Minister. Right now, presently in the government, I am advisor to the government on health and family welfare, and Babantaydor Lingdo is the advisor to the government on agriculture and farmers welfare department.
Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo, ibadi Menteri Katanat Kakot Kakia ila penlong ya ka jinglet jingo Sharibhoy district hinen kasngi. Ban kmi ya ka jinglong jingman halor ka jingdawa badang sa teng ha ka bayday bat kurukom ay jing sumar. Lasenran lang I daw nong mi kmat na umsning bat kiwe ki dekot jong katanat kakot kakya. Ilale jingoru ya ka MCH hospital ha ka shnong umran parila. Ka baday ka jaka ay jing sumar na ka benta ki longkmi ki ba armet bat ki khna ya ka ba insaple pat ba shen. Ha ka jui kasngi ilale jingo ya ka nongpo civil hospital bat ka nursing institute ka badon hapahams im. Haduk menta 4 lala ban pentrekam ya ka jaka ai jing hikai ya ki bapuli nurse. Bat ha ka jinglet jurep ka jong I ya ka nongpo civil hospital bat ka nursing institute. Lasenran lang ye I daw nong mi khmat na nongpo uba Merrill Bonds im bat kiwe ki he jong katanat.
Certain deadlines have been given to various departments like the MECL, the PHE, the water pumping. So we've taken this entire holistic view that these are a few things that need to be put in place. We're going to do that, and we're going to review this matter on the 20th of July, and then we will see what are the next things that we need to do.
Kalimpong CM District Level Open Under 12 Years Football Tournament Arjar Arpulai. Kelakut no mentakas ngi hakyang nang ba stadium Jawai. Hakaban nakaliang ki kentai ka Amlarem Government LP School bat nakaliang ki senrang ka Padu United A kila job ya ka jingle akai final. Kini ki artli ki kenhun ki day na Amlarem Block. Hakaba dangshan ru lapenlong ya Southli ki Limpong hakeleng ki block jong ka Thait Lasken ka Amlarem ka Lasken bat Namdong. Bat ya ka jingle akai semi final bat final lapenlong ha Jawai. Working president ka jong ka WJDSA uba EMH pasa ula long ukongsan bansaki ya kijing le kai final jong ki kentai bat ki senrang belapen long da ka office jong ka Tanat district sports officer haringkat ka jinge bentalang da district sports officer uba krubak pasa bat ki dekot jong ka WJDSA hakelimpong final na kaliang ki kentai ka amlarem government LP school kalapan rem no ya ka mukla grassroots center da ka waila not kat ba nak lang kishenrang ka padu United A kalapan rem no ya ka umulong grassroots center da ka waila not. Mentapat ngin pet ya ka jinglong juman ka sunbering hasilong. Kajing shit kalong 4.9 degree Celsius bat kajing kret kalong 4 degree Celsius. Kajing singam kawaw kalong saupusan nak shispa kapor menstapat saupu ar nak shispa ha kapor janmit. Kalak bandan kajing hap slap ka bamlumala hakikat tu kini kijaka. Sa shisin pat ngipin kan mau bingi ba ya kini ka kubor ka jongi. Pilak ban pet ha ka jui kapor ha ka YouTube channel bat pilak ban pet ya ki kubor ki ba man la ka sngi ha ka Facebook ka Twitter bat ki Instagram jong ka di news shilong. Haswa bangin pinkut impet biang sai siang yakimat ki bokongsan. Bat kalaban Bengali Boys bat ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School ya ka kerdan bahakli ha ka result MBOS HSSLC jong ka Science bat Commerce Stream. Ya kendu Menteri rang ba ka jela Konrad ki sangma ya kinong ilam kamar bat Kuki Community. Ya kajimpang African swine flu lapar kengtang hakikat tu kini kijaka. Kampat long kabama ban bame kodok senyang ong Menteri Katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba ALHEC. Bat IT ulampang ki yang dorbar tauan ya kasiti halor kajinglet yaso apodeng kaseng PDF bat kaseng NPP. Ti parlok atung ila poisha ka bukut jong kani katup ke bor jingi mentaka janmit hadup da syameng bat pila syai ke sngi kuplay pi baro.